Hello friends, I am CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I know that you all are awaiting for your results. So I am here to announce two special live classes for tomorrow, that is 25th February. Now all of us know that CS results are out for the attempt of December on 25th February without any delay, without any fail. Now if you have given the professional exam or if you have given the executive exam, both the levels results will be out tomorrow. The professional will be at 11 AM and the executive will be at 2 PM. First of all, I want to wish you all the best. My best wishes, my well wishes are with all of you. I hope you all score good. I hope you face the results with calmness, happiness and peacefully. So I will be hosting two special live classes for all of you tomorrow. Now the first session will be from 5 PM to 6 PM and the next session will be from 7 PM to 8 PM. So in the first session of 5 PM to 6 PM, come up and let's talk about results. You come up and tell me how did you scored, how much you expected and how did you scored, what were your expectations from ICSI and how did the result outcome was there. As well as if you have any doubts related to results or what to do next, that I will be guiding you in that session. You can come up, we can have a chit chat session as in a question answer session. It's a live session. तो आप आके मुझे बताओ कि आपका रिजल्ट कैसा है और अगर आपको कोई गाइडेंस चाहिए, कोई डाउट है, फील फ्री टू आस्क इन दैट लाइव सेशन. तो 5 PM to 6 PM के सेशन में हम ये सारी बातें करेंगे. We will discuss about the doubts, we will discuss about the results. And in the second session of 7 PM to 8 PM, I will be guiding you how can you start your preparation for June 2022 now for both kind of students who cleared also and who didn't cleared also. दोनों ही टाइप के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए मैं गाइड करूंगी कि आप किस तरीके से अपनी प्रेपरेशन अब शुरू कर सकते हो जून 2022 अटेम्प्ट के लिए, बिकॉज इट्स अ मस्ट. वंस रिजल्ट्स आर आउट, अब फटाफट प्लानिंग कर लो, फटाफट अपनी स्टार्ट कर लो. इट विल बी वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल एंड बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. तो दोनों ही क्लासेस कल होंगी, दैट इज 25th February. The first session will be from 5 PM to 6 PM and the second session will be from 7 PM to 8 PM. Both classes class links will be in the description box below. Make sure you click on them and click notify me so that before the class begins you get notified. One thing I remind you daily, and today also I'm going to tell the same thing, that the classes are totally free of cost. You can unlock the session by using my code CSJAS. And if you are a first time user, the steps to unlock my classes are already mentioned in the description box below. You can go through them and unlock my sessions अगर आपको कोई भी problem होती है. I'm always there to help you and I know when results are out there should be someone to listen to you. अगर आपको कोई doubt है, even if you are happy, come up and share with me. Even if you are, if you have any doubt, if you want to ask something, you have no one to ask, come up and ask me. We have a quite interactive and chit chat session. Other than that, the batch links for getting the unacademy subscription are also in the description box below. You can click on them and get subscription. And in case you get subscription, do use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. I hope you all will join the session at 5 PM as well as at 7 PM. I wish that you join the session so that I could guide you. I wish that you join the session so that you could ask me anything that you have a doubt about. So see you in tomorrow's session, and again, all the best from my side. Bye.